Hello and welcome to OnPrintShop. Here in this video we will see our new feature reports enhancement and quote report that is launched in version 7.3. Here is the quick overview of report field settings and new report, quote summary. In report field settings we have enhanced reports in such a way that you can decide which fields are to be considered from the preset fields list in the report as well as in the Excel export. Let's see first how reports fields works. For the feature, go to Admin, then go to any Reports tab, then go to Manage Fields. Clicking it will open a pop-up, Report Field Setting, containing a list of all table fields of the respective report file. Along with the table field, we have added checkboxes. You can check or uncheck the fields that you look forward to viewing into the reports, and then you can download later into Excel sheet. This is how system will only show the data of the selected field name and thus allowing you to personalize your reports according to your business needs. Now let's see another feature, new quote summary report. We have added a report for quote, so now you can view your quote summary for your quote analysis. For the feature, go to Admin, then Reports, then there you will find Quote Summary tab. Quote Summary report will help you to check your quote reports with several filters, with detailed information about the rejected and approved quote along with the amount. Thus quote report will help you to find rejected and approved quote along with the amount. Thank you for watching video. If you have any queries, please email us at support@onprintshop.com.